Let's improve pronunciation. Improving pronunciation is a great challenge for English language learners if they're not guided properly in this regard. Pronunciation is all about saying words correctly, so that the person engaged in conversation with you doesn't find it difficult to understand you. Pronunciation includes the following features: 1. Articulation of words. 2. Intonation. 3. Stress. 4. Connected speech. Placing a special focus on these features contributes to good pronunciation of English words. Now look what these features are and how you can perfect your pronunciation skills so that people understand you. 1. Articulation of words. Articulation is the ability to physically move the tongue, lips, teeth, and jaw to produce speech sounds that make up words and sentences. Articulation of words is a clear way of pronouncing words using different muscles of your mouth, including lung. This is the most important element in pronunciation. 2. Intonation. Intonation is the rising and falling of our voice in speech. It's concerned with whether the voice is going up or down while saying words in our sentences. Intonation plays a vital role in making others understand what you say. For example, our voice goes up when we ask questions and down when we make statements. 3. Stress in speech. In English phonology, stress is the intensity or emphasis given to a certain syllable of words. Syllable is the segment or unit of a word that has a vowel sound, 2 syllables in water and 3 in inferno. Stress examples: present, noun, stress on present, verb, stress on sent. 4. Connected speech. Connected speech is a natural phenomenon of a spoken language, which includes the following processes: 1. Linking. 2. Deletion. 3. Insertion. 4. Modification. 5. Reduction. 6. Multiple connected speech simply means that all words in speech are connected to one another, with sounds from one running into another. Tips to improve all these features of pronunciation. 1. Listen to English conversations of native speakers. 2. Learn International Phonetic Alphabet, which teaches you how to produce word sounds. 3. Use an English dictionary which transcribes words. 4. Practice saying words correctly, which is the way of training your mouth muscles.